If you're a music teacher and you're looking for an affordable professional website to advertise your services, you've definitely come to the right place today, so keep watching this video. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to use the Marty Sites platform to build a simple website for your music teacher services. If you haven't heard of Marty Sites before, welcome to our YouTube channel. We pretty much built the platform to remove all the barriers for small businesses, solopreneurs, people with various side hustles so they can have a professional, effective, and easy to update website for only $9 a month. There is a free trial available for 7 days. No credit card details are needed. So make sure you click on the link below this video to start that free trial. Once you join the platform, the first thing it's going to ask you to do at the top is to search for your markets. Now, we've got hundreds of different markets to choose from for various small businesses. We are adding more markets every single week. Let's head to the top and search for our markets, music teacher. There it is over there. I'm now going to go ahead and select that option. Awesome. Let's tell Marty Sites a few basic details about our business so it can generate a simple website for us. Pop in your company name for your music lessons, city, and your state or region. Doesn't matter where in the world your business is operating from or your service is operating from, you can enjoy the Marty Sites service. We have happy users from all around the globe. Once you click on continue, Marty Sites will automatically generate a simple website for you and bring up this pop-up showing you how to customize your new website in under 30 seconds. For now, I'm going to go ahead and close that one off because today I'm going to be the one to show you the ropes. Now, the beauty of Marty Sites is we've actually pre-written all the content for you as a guideline, of course. We've also pre-selected all the images as well. They're all really high quality, as you can see. They're also completely free for you to use as well. However, I'm sure you've got some of your own images you'd like to showcase on your website. Maybe make one or two amendments to this content. Perhaps you don't offer all these services or offers, and you want to change it up a little bit. It's super simple to make changes to your Marty Sites website. You don't need to know any coding, be a web professional in any kind of way. And you certainly don't need to hire a professional to help you with this either. You can literally do it all yourself. So let's get started. I'm going to click on the first section at the top and pop in my email address over here. I want to make sure that that is visible for my customers or my students. So I'm going to go ahead and tick that box. Excellent. Phone number is click to call. And physical location, when your website's live, your customers can actually click on that address and be taken directly to Google Maps for directions. Maybe you only offer online music lessons. That's okay too. Just leave that address off. Underneath, update social links put on the various social media platforms your business is active on. Icons will be displayed at the top as well as at the bottom of your website. Now, if you have a business logo, head on over to the next section to upload it. You can click on that little pencil over to crop it, rotate it, add filters or frames. Otherwise, here on the right is where we can make that logo bigger and smaller and resize it. Now, if you'd like to change the colors used throughout your Marty Sites website, click on that paint bucket bottom right-hand corner. Go through the various color palette options available for you to use. There's so many to choose from. For each section you'd like to change it up a bit, make it a bit more personalized, click on that update section button. Underneath update images where you can browse your device and upload your own images or search through the photo library. There's hundreds of free high quality images to choose from. You also have the option to connect your Instagram accounts if you have a profile and pull in those photos. Underneath update action, we have those call to action buttons. You can change the text on the buttons and where they're linked, you can even upload a PDF file. Now, in the last section at the bottom, we have a lead generation form where your customers or your students can easily reach out to you, keep track of all your leads in your Marty dashboard. Domains are super simple as well. If you have a custom domain, you can connect it by clicking on that yellow button at the bottom. If you don't have a custom domain, we really recommend that you get one to make your website look even more professional, trustworthy, stand out from all your competitors. Go ahead and click on that button as well. You can actually purchase a custom domain via the Marty Sites platform as well. Super convenience. I really hope that short tutorial was helpful in building a simple website for your music teacher services, and I'm really wishing you and your business Marty success.